It's Entomology Animated, celebrating the amazing biology of insects using the power of digital animation. Ding! Hello everyone, this is Eric from Entomology Animated. I wanted to do a quick video to show some of the stuff that I'm working on. Yet another goofy little project that of course is insect related. And this time I'm doing a firefly. And one of the major differences between this and the previous projects that I've done is that this is actually an interactive video game. In other words, right now I'm controlling this little firefly model, this Photuris model, using the arrow keys and the mouse. So I can move around and kind of see different views and then actually make him, or her rather, walk around the environment. And of course I can also right click and make her fly and even control where she goes. And go check out this tree over here. And even more important than that, of course, since this is a firefly model, if I left mouse click, I can make her glow. So her little belly's glowing. Alright, let me get a better view there. I'm still working out some of the kinks. Obviously she's kind of colliding with the some of the dirt here. And she kind of only walks horizontally, like I can't get her to walk vertically. But I'm working on that. It's getting there. I'm kind of new at doing video game programming, so I have a lot to learn. But it's a lot of fun and it's a cool project, and I think it does have a lot of potential for science education. Because I think what I'd love to be able to do is make some kind of interactive video game that demonstrates entomological principles in a way that's actually kind of informative. That's in a way that's actually kind of informative. That's kind of the trick, because as most kids who've been forced to play educational video games will tell you, most educational video games kind of stink. It doesn't really hold their attention. So I'm looking at this as more of a potential for creating what I would call interactive scientific illustrations. But it's still in the fairly early stages here. But it is kind of cool. It's very exciting. And I can make this one fly around. And I've even, just for fun, I threw in some bioluminescent mushrooms here. So just because it was fun. So, hey, I can make her crawl on top of these guys and light them up. Have a little insect mushroom disco going. And of course I need to put some other fireflies, because this poor firefly is very lonely or hungry, depending on the genus. So that's pretty cool. Let me show you what this looks like at night. Oh, we got a nice view of her head there. Hold on one second, let me pause this. Okay, and now we have firefly at night. See a little patch of earth. See the stars up there. I can make her fly. So I am, I'm holding down the left mouse button so that I can actually make her blink at will. Get a good view of the moon in the background there. That's kind of pretty, kind of cool. And of course, she's not the right scale. In reality, I think she would be much smaller. She'd probably be small enough to fit on a blade of grass here, but let's just pretend for the moment that this is a giant firefly. Like I said, I'm still kind of working out the way that this is going to work and what I'm going to do with it, but the ability to control the little insect is the most fun aspect of it. And there's our glow-in-the-dark mushrooms. They're pretty cute. Let's go over there and check them out. The other thing I need to work out is this is really kind of more of a controlled leaping more than a flying action, so I'm going to try and improve that in the next version. See if I can get more control while she's flying. But there she is with the mushrooms. So it's kind of jumping up and down whenever I right click on the mouse. Pretty cool. So thanks again for checking out my goofy videos and my weird little insect related projects. I'll let you know when I have an update. Thanks again.